In 2019, a child was struck by a motorist when attempting to cross Summit Avenue, right here at Brookfield Drive. I'm Michael Paler, Montgomery County Department of Transportation's Chief of Traffic Engineering and Operations. Both residents and public officials in Kensington, Maryland, requested that our office review pedestrian and traffic safety along Summit Avenue, recognizing that the neighborhood to the west of Summit Avenue and the Kensington Skate Park to the east of Summit Avenue provide the opportunity for significant pedestrian movements. Our conclusion? Provide a beacon to facilitate safe pedestrian crossings at this Summit Avenue intersection with Brookfield Drive. This hawk is pedestrian activated. It means you have to press this push button in order to start the sequence of signal indications. It's pedestrian activated and it displays a red indication to vehicles and stops them. And it facilitates a safe crossing for pedestrians to and from Brookfield Drive. After a set time, the beacon returns to a dark display that allows motor vehicles to proceed along Summit Avenue normally. The pedestrian hybrid beacon enhances safety because it provides clear direction to motorists, stop on red, and to pedestrians, cross while the indication is red. MCDOT is looking to install these wherever safety needs indicate a benefit, such as at unsignalized crossings or between intersections, which we call mid-block crossings. Because for MCDOT, pedestrian safety is in our DNA.